Hey guys, so I had a request in the Facebook group that I manage, the Life Zoltar Investing, to do a walkthrough and set up in a configuration of this crypto hopper, which is basically like a cryptocurrency trading bot. And if you're not in that Facebook group, feel free to join. We have like 500 people in there right now, and a lot of expertise in there. We talk about all things crypto, like trading, pump and dumps, coins, ICOs, all that fun stuff. So a lot of good information in there. But anyways, a lot of folks in the group are asking about Crypto Hopper, and I'm still, you can see I'm still in the trial period here, and I'm playing around with it, and I got it set up where it's doing some pretty good trades to where I'm averaging almost like 10 to almost 20% a day returns. Again, it's still in the trial, so no guarantees yet, but it seems the past couple days have been pretty awesome with this thing. So I'm going to kind of walk through how I set this thing up, and just a quick overview of how it works and how you can start making some profits with this thing. So anyways, I'll put the link down below. Crypto Hopper. When you set up, do not use the recommended the Hopperbot. Create your own, or do like a manual custom one. It's Poloniex Hopper. So just choose that one right here where my cursor is. And you can see I'm in the bunny trial period. It's like a 30-day free trial, so there's literally no charge. You sign up for 30 days. I think you can get started for like under $100 US dollars, and then you can set up some trades. So anyways, this is the dashboard. I'll just quickly go through these toggle switches. Hopper is enabled, buying is enabled, selling is enabled. Panic button is basically if the market's tanking, you can just hit this and it just sells all your positions. Open orders, I don't have any open orders right now in Poloniex. Open positions right now, I have mine set to sell at a 1.9% profit. Again, I'll go through the config as soon as I'm done going over the dashboard here. So once this hits a 1.9% open position, this bot will trigger a sell in Poloniex. And I'll go through that here in a bit. And then you have the option to manually buy and sell over here. And then this is the output. So as it's doing the buys and sells, it'll show you here. And then I also have it hooked into signals, so through Twitter and Telegram. So as those signals are triggered, that's what the bot uses to place its positions. So that's basically it. These are just the price targets from those signals. So that's basically it for the dashboard. So now the meat and potatoes of this thing is setting it up. So let me go to the config. So when you create an account, it's going to ask you if you want kind of an out-of-the-box setup, or if you want to start from scratch. So start from scratch, select the Poloniex Hopper, and you can copy what I did because it's working for me. So Poloniex Hopper, live bot, that basically means it's turned on. Poloniex Exchange, API key, and then put in your secret. That basically obviously just syncs up with your user account on the exchange. Base currency, I have it set to Bitcoin. Now, so with the free trial, they give you 15 coins, I believe. I only have 5 selected because these are literally the only 5 that are working for me right now. It's January 19th, 2018 right now, and the market is absolute crap. So it's just completely tanked. So that's the reason why only a couple coins are working for me right now. So if you're setting this up now in January of 2018, I would recommend these coins. So Dogecoin, Litecoin, Lisk, Genus, and Bitcoin Cash. So these are the only 5 coins I selected. So select that. Multiple TA factors, definitely select that. as your strategy. Like I said, I've played around with this for 2, 3 weeks now, and this is giving me literally a steady, like, what, 2, 3% tr percent gain, per trade, and literally like 10 to upwards of 20% gain per day. So this is by far, I'm still tweaking and still playing, and I'll make another video if I find a better strategy, but right now this is working awesome for me. So these 5 coins, multiple TA factors as my strategy. This is kind of a canned out of the box of Crypto Hopper. Okay, so now percent profit. Now I have mine set as 1.9. You can set it higher. Because I'm still playing with this, I didn't want to get too greedy. But I'm clearly going over 1.9. I mean, I'm getting upwards of like 4. But I'm definitely getting over 1.9, so I might even jack that up a little higher. But to play it safe, I'm still going to leave it at 1.9. Now these bid prices, leave them at 0.5. So lower bid and higher ask, yeah, leave those at 0.5. Now the stop loss I have, the trailing loss, I have those turned off. So again, I mean, you can play around with these, but like I said, I mean, they work the best when I just have all these turned off. What else? Okay, so max open time sell 30, max open time buy 30, max open positions is 200, max percent open positions per coin 200, percent buy amount is 0.7, minimum amount PTC open per order. That amount. I mean, but again, I mean, these are just how much you want to spend. So I mean, obviously that's up to you. That's just what I have. And again, I'm in a trial, so still playing around. Maximum BTC amount allocated, 0.1. So, and then notifications. These are just, if they're gonna send you an email or whatever when they make a trade. So again, that's how I have it set up, and it's working for me. And I'll show you exactly how it's working. Now again, so that's the configurations. Now how this really works, in config pools, I haven't played with that yet, and I'm making good profits without really even configuring this, so no real need to set it up. Now again, I'm still playing with this. I haven't really had that much time to start playing, with more like the advanced stuff. So once I do that, I'll make another video. Now how this thing really works and how it works good is it taps into signals. So now there are a bunch of signal groups in here. Actually, if I go to here are all the signal groups that you can tap into, and that's how this Crypto Hopper trading bot kind of makes its trades. So it taps into these signal groups, and that'll know, kind of how or when to, kind of do a buy and sell. So before, when I first did this, I subscribed to everything. Like I subscribed to, so these two here are the only paid ones. So this is like a $5 subscription fee, and this is a $6 subscription fee, and the rest of these are all free. So when I first did this, I just boom, 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 boom. I just subscribed to absolutely everything, and I wasn't having that good of results. So what I did was I unsubscribed from a lot of these, and I started having a lot better results. So right now, I am only subscribed to Crypto Grow, Crypto Lion Signals, Crypto Signals, and Crypto Wolf Signals. And the rest of these I am not subscribed to because they were not giving me good results. So I would recommend only these 4 to subscribe to. All right, so going back to here. And again, like this back testing, you don't really need to do some of this stuff. I mean, it's basically just like testing the bot and that sort of thing. And then charts is, basically just trading charts, stats, that sort of thing. Now, so what's really cool is, so look at this. This is awesome. So this is my trade history. So look at the kind of results I'm getting. So 4%, 3%, 3%, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So like almost like an average of like 3% per trade. Now I did have a couple negatives. So when I first set this thing up here, I'll sort it by date just to be 100% honest with you guys, what's today's date? The 19th. Okay, so the reason why I have these, obviously, the reason why I have this is when I first set this thing up, it placed, I did some manually, I subscribed to, like I said, all those signal groups, and I did some manual. Look at this thing. Like it bought like 566 Dogecoins, and it I didn't get it tuned. It really messed up, and what it did was it bought like a ton of Dogecoins, and it sat there for like 2 weeks. And just today, was it today or yesterday? I'm like, this thing has been sitting in there for like 2 weeks. I'm just gonna sell it for a loss. So I just triggered it as a manual sell order, and you know what, I'm just gonna hit it, and I'm just gonna take a loss on it because I'm tired of seeing it. But literally 1 2 3 4 5, these 5 trades are the only losses that I had, and I manually triggered these trades. That's why I did a loss, and the only reason I did that is because I was tired of seeing them on my dashboard, and because they were sitting there for like since the time I opened my account. So what, like 2 3 weeks ago. So I'm like, man, it's screwing up all my my stats. So that's why I just trigger these. I got them. I flushed the system basically. I got them out. So that's why I'm negative. So, but if you go in, I mean, literally that is the only red. So now when I filter this out, I mean, literally that is the only red. Everything else is green. Look, boom, green, 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 and then obviously there's the red again. So, I mean, you can see it's just 4%, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. So clearly it's doing really, really well. And just now, when I go back to here, when was this? So the date. So I just got it tuned maybe a week ago. So now, so you can see so hopefully from now on I'll start, getting 3% returns on every single trade, which would be awesome. So that's about it. I mean, I'm trying to think what else I could show you guys for this, but like I said, I mean, just set it up like I have it here. Select, just these four signal groups because the other ones didn't work for me. Set it up with these 5 coins because the other coins weren't working for me. Multiple TA factors. Set it up with this configuration that I did here, and just let it go to work for you, really. And again, I'm really still playing with this thing. But so far so good. And like I said, I mean, it's doing pretty well. I mean, the only reason why I have these 5 here in the red is because I manually triggered those, but the rest you can see is all green. I mean, look at green, 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 green. That's a 0. Oops. Green, 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 and there's nothing there. So, I mean, clearly it's working. So that's it. It's really easy. I mean, I've played around with Hasbot like 2 years ago, maybe a year and a half ago, maybe, I don't remember. And kind of dipped in some bots before, but this was so easy to use, and it's all web-based, super easy to use, super easy to config, and I think it's the only bot that offers a free trial too. Every other bot makes you pay for it. So, which is, so cool on Crypto Hopper because they literally give you 30 days to try it for free. So it's the easiest one to use I've seen so far. 30 days free trial, and look, I mean, I'm getting pretty damn good returns considering it's a bear market right now. I mean, the market is horrible right now. So all right, guys. I almost forgot to show Polonex the trade history. I almost ended the video without or forgetting to show this. But anyways, the bot obviously connects through API interface through Polonex. So I just wanted to show you my trade history here. So you can clearly see it was making trades with the Polonex. See Polonex, your trade history, and here they are, buy, sell, all the buy, sell orders. And again, I mean, that bot was going to work. So there they were. So that's it. All right, guys, any questions, let me know. And I'll see you on the next one. Take care.